Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the Ramzan Baitak at Studio 13. We have with us today a very special guest. She is one of the foremost people in creative leadership in Pakistan. Please welcome Atiya Zaidi.
थैंक यू
Welcome Atiya
थैंक यू
to the
वालेकुम
Ramzan
सलाम
Baitak.
इट इज़ ग्रेट टू बी हियर आपका बहुत अच्छा आप लोगों ने सेटअप किया हुआ है द आई सॉ अ होल अफ्तारी टेबल
Yes.
एंड रूह अफ़ज़ा
Please do enjoy the iftar
आई वुड
or the sehri, whatever you get.
जैसे आप पॉडकास्ट ख़त्म करेंगे मैं अफ्तार पे चली जाऊंगी
So okay, so let's just dive into the Ramzan theme. How do you see Ramzan advertising evolving over the years?
आई अनफॉर्चुनेटली फील इट हैज़ नॉट इवॉल्व ओवर द ईयर्स यानी थोड़ी सी वो अफसोस उसको देख के होता है कि डेफिनेटली बहुत सारी चीज़ें बहुत नेचुरली आती हैं राइट लोग खाने के बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा सोचते हैं रेसिपीज़ के बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा सोचते हैं काइंडनेस और ज़कात के बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा सोचते हैं बट इट हैज़ somewhat become a pattern and a cookie cutter thing. Like it's rare to see now, really creative, clutter breaking ideas coming in Ramzan. And Ramzan has also become very serious, लोग समझते हैं कि यार आपने इसके अंदर sorry to say but pity mongering करनी है ये कुछ approaches जब
Guilt tripping करनी है.
हाँ like 15-20 साल पहले when I think Alpers used to do some beautiful Ramzan work, right? And they started this big ideas कि pan-Islamism है, Muslim Ummah है, we're all connected with these things and all. पर वो फिर उसके बाद वो वही बन गए ना वो formulas बन गए do big films, show a lot of big spreads.
You think that was the last
family getting
innovation in
together.
Ramzan?
I think it was innovative in that point because they used to do limited edition packaging. Like we will commit yourself to that whole big season where you
Right.
know कि मेरी सबसे ज़्यादा वो आएंगी यहाँ पे.
Treat it
sales
in a
आएंगी.
special way.
Yeah. But I think उसके बाद से rarely I've seen कि fun Ramzan ideas हुए हैं या और वैसे हम बहुत बाकी साल में we keep focusing on कि how fluid your user is or your customer is, your consumer is. They are looking for fun things. They're looking for irreverent things. Of course with TikTok and all. It's all for escapism and entertainment. How do you merge those two? Because people would use their devices much more in Ramzan.
Yeah, because they
क्योंकि
have more
टाइम ही नहीं
time.
ख़त्म हो रहा
Yeah.
तो ये एक रियलिटी है टीवी व्यूअरशिप भी ऊपर जाती है उसकी OTT की व्यूअरशिप भी ऊपर जाती है आपके सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स की यूजेज भी ऊपर जाती है रमज़ान में पर हाउ डू यू कनेक्ट दैट टू दैट आई स्टिल हैव टू सी और मे बी इट इज़ आउट देयर एंड आई हैवंट सीन इट एक तो इतना अब ओवरवेलमिंग कंटेंट प्रोड्यूस होता है कि इट्स जस्ट नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर यू टू हैव सीन एवरीथिंग
So as a creative leader, do you push for some kind of innovation with the clients that you work with during Ramzan?
So a couple of years ago we used to work for Shan Foods. We don't now, but उसमें हमने we had this one idea that they were partnering with Silani welfare where जो हम वो रमज़ान में खाना खिलाते थे रोज़े करवाते थे तो रमज़ान में वो ज़्यादा करते थे तो उसको rather than making a film on it or a post on it we created a Snapchat filter. So it was a filter where you take a picture of your own food आपकी अपनी plate and then वो खाना आपकी plate से sort of cut out होके सिलानी के दस्तरखान पे चला जाता था and every time you do it then Shan will
So you're
double the
donating.
donation.
Okay.
So we were taking your using the filter as one donation and then Shan will double it. So अच्छा आपने एक donate
So
किया
you
हमने
visually
donate.
see your donation being used.
हाँ you can see your plate going into
You contributing visually.
उनके दस्तरखान पे और it was like an unbranded दस्तरखान उनके ना normally सिलानी के red color के plastic के covers होते हैं so that's what we did it. So it wasn't like ये लोग भूखे हैं और इनको आपकी ज़रूरत है and all that somewhat goes into pity mongering. People know what the problems are in the world. They understand poverty, they understand hunger. So वहाँ ज़बरदस्ती empathy में भी शायद लाने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी.
So Ramzan obviously is a very emotional time. I mean, how do brands struggle to stay authentic and how do like creative agencies help in that?
अच्छा I think it's a very layered question because बहुत सारा कुछ ना in the end of the day this is advertising, right? Brands are made up things, right? Like economy, like money, like time. These are all made up things, right? They live in collective imagination. Authenticity in terms of कि हाँ मेरा brand का right to win है यहाँ पे या मुझे ये बात करने की ज़रूरत है या नहीं है. अब like if a car brand is doing something on let's come together and eat at the same table, it might not make sense. But if a car brand is talking about that we will get you, कि आपको नींद रमज़ान में लोगों को आती है या एक्सीडेंट ज़्यादा होते हैं, इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट प्रॉक्सिमिलिटी अलर्ट्स देन इट मेक्स सेंस, यू नो. आई थिंक आई वुड से दैट वुड बी अ ब्रांड्स ऑथेंटिसिटी इन रमज़ान.
But stay in your ballpark, stay in your vicinity, in
which
your
is
neighborhood.
your right to win, right? आखिर में brand का connect ही नहीं है, and you'll see, and that happens with a lot of very very good Indian ads. That you'll see beautiful storytelling, and not Ramzan related, all right. And then you remember brand कौन सा था यार?
They miss
याद ही नहीं है. Because brand connect नहीं है. It's a beautiful story.
On its
right?
own, it's a beautiful story.
On its own, it's a beautiful
But it sort of
story.
misses, the brand gets lost.
Yeah, कि मेरा role क्या है वहाँ पे, brand का role क्या है. So if a cooking oil is doing a thing about a बच्चा leaving his home and he comes back, you know, because
like,
माँ ने जलेबी
नाम
बनाई
क्या
थी,
था,
तो
कौन सा
brand का
category भी
नाम
क्या
याद
थी?
नहीं है मुझे. हाँ.
So you mentioned Indian advertising. So how is Pakistani advertising doing? Is that growing? Is that becoming bolder, better? Like, which direction is it headed?
In different pockets it is. Yeah, I mean there is much more awareness, especially at the client's end. Right? That like हम अकेले कुछ नहीं create कर सकते, right? The client has to be on board about this. So there is definitely a lot of awareness in terms of that the power that the brands have. See, in the lack of you know, जहाँ दुनिया में government institutes होते होंगे या वो public institutes हैं जो वो सारे काम कर रहे हैं, अगर आपके मुल्क में नहीं कर रहे, then the brands and the citizens take over, right? You have seen it again and again in the NGOs that have formed, and the big, you know, for instance, TCF as an example, it is a citizens foundation.
Like a proxy government almost.
I would call it that, but I think it is people seeing a gap and taking that responsibility and saying, "Koi nahi kara, chalo main karta hu," right? And that's where brands are more stepping in. And I'm not only talking about purpose; they're doing other good stuff also, like getting into awareness about mental health, right, and employee well-being. जो maybe 30 साल पहले कभी ये बात होती ही नहीं थी कि what is employee well-being? You know, no such thing like that.
So they're contributing more. Like advertising is more sort of purpose-driven.
Not all of it. I think purpose for the sake of purpose doesn't make sense also. कि just मैंने कुछ करते हैं तो CSR को ये कर देते हैं. That doesn't make any sense. That's where that brand role and brand authenticity comes in. कि मेरा right to play था इसमें या नहीं था. But I do see कि now with the younger people coming in from at both sides, and they have this desire for doing best in class work, you know, and for that हमें एक change नज़र आता है कि हाँ वो push भी ज़्यादा होता है.
And what's driving that?
I think it's awareness. It is digital platforms. It is seeing the best in class work from all around. You know, it's more access to.
Or they're more exposed to good work, so they, you know, it inspires them and drives them.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So that is you know, encouraging to see.
So what's your advice for new marketeers or just marketeers in general, because you work with all shapes and sizes of marketeers?
I think one of the very key things for marketeers, and whatever good work we can create is only because we had somebody who bought into the idea, right? And I think one of the key problems that you face is when the marketeers become the agency. Everyone has a right to be creative, right? Doesn't come with a designation. But when you work together, acha, okay, we're going to co-create it, that's when the magic happens, right? But if it's like, ये तो आपका काम था और ये मेरा काम था, then nothing gets created. And I think one of the key things that marketers forget, that marketing is all about the joy of creation. You get to give birth to something, right? I mean, it is a normal, let's say, doodh, and you turn it into a brand which is now for tea, which is enjoyed by tea lovers. People cannot have their tea without that doodh. You created that as a marketeer. So one common mistake that I see, and which gap, is that marketeers focus more on execution part rather than the strategy part. Like positioning समझना आपके लिए ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, and understanding your power कि मैं ये positioning create करती हूँ या करता हूँ, right?
So they leave that to the agency, they leave that to whatever.
They leave that to whatever has been happening. So वहाँ पे कुछ, क्योंकि देखिए positioning shift करना ना बड़ा वो होती है, बड़ी fight होती है कि अच्छा मैं अभी इस positioning पे हूँ, मैं reposition करके या logo change करके या brand world change करके VIS change करके मैं यहाँ लेकर आता हूँ. उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरनल स्टेक होल्डर्स इन्वॉल्व होंगे. उसके ऊपर एक करेज भी चाहिए होगा टू डू समथिंग विच might not work, and somebody will in the company will come and say, "Kisne kaha tha tum change karo?" You know, there is a whole pressure to
So it's a
maintain the
riskier
status
thing,
quo.
and it's a riskier thing, and it's a more effort required.
Yeah, and it's easier just to follow the status quo ना कि
Yes.
अब अच्छा बस तो फिर वो ज़्यादा फोकस कि टैलेंट कौन से कपड़े पहना होगा, उनके कौन सा मेकअप होगा,
Oh,
कौन शूट कर रहा है,
it's
कौन
relatively
ग्रेड
easy
कर रहा है,
bits
that
where you
is
don't
not
have to
your
think about it or
job.
take chances
Yeah,
or
yeah,
rally like a whole
Yeah.
team behind.
yeah. This is the Ramzan
Yeah, this is
siren.
the Ramzan siren that we're
Cool.
hearing. So listen, I know you have to run to the session.
No
Just
problem.
a couple more questions. Like, what's your take on AI and how is that affecting your work?
Oh, I think AI is a brilliant tool. I mean, it is, and I think we're over that part when we were like, oh my God, look at how this is. Like, अब हो गया, mind blown हो गया और
Yeah.
continuously वो improve ही करता रहता है. It's great for prototyping. It's great for thinking the wildest ideas, which you never had the resources or the time to imagine what they will look like. It is great to see. Use it in a process of elimination कि ये सब ideas तो हो चुके हैं, तो यहाँ नहीं जाना, मुझे अब हमें कहीं और जाना है, right? It is great to, you know, making storyboards, music, even videos, all of that, which can get the work approved more easily because, you know, it's a visual world. So it's easier for clients to also imagine what it will look like, right?
Makes less mistakes also.
Depends.
Oh yeah, actually it depends.
And I think
Sometimes it does.
maybe a time is coming where mistakes will be appreciated more because
Yeah, at
humans
least shows
करते हैं ना
authentic.
mistake.
जिस तरह
It's
carpet
good
knitting के अंदर वो
imperfection.
imperfections are valued.
So maybe
yeah.
that will come, but
You're right.
that's the same thing. It is called the fourth industrial revolution, right? कि जब industrialization हुई थी, तब जब सब कुछ factory made होने लगा, तो handmade की value बढ़ गई, right? So I think there will still be a place, and who am I to say, right? I mean, you know,
Yeah, no,
we don't know where it's
absolutely,
gonna go.
Absolutely.
But अभी तो ये लगता है, there's a very favorite quote of mine which I read somewhere. It says that AI can write the best story ever written. AI can never write the story never written. You know,
Oh,
that's where the
absolutely,
human being
yeah.
will come in, right?
It can't come up with new things. It just sort of
Yeah, it can
uses
curate.
whatever, yes,
Haan.
whatever's been done, whatever's
Yeah,
been written.
Yeah.
And last question, I know you can be brief. How do you stay authentic after such a long time in advertising, creating
Oh, I
fiction?
still really love this profession. I mean, and I'm not saying I get up every day and it's like, oh my God, I love my job.
Yeah.
No, that's not possible.
No, I mean
you
as a
know?
person also.
Oh, this whole idea that you can make a difference, and not only for positive, right? Also for commerce. Like you have that power to convince and persuade people. Okay, I'll give you an example that somebody else gave me. The human body, or human beings, are unconsciously, and our instincts are hardwired for survival. Right? Anything happens, any bad thing happens, your instincts, your body takes over, and you will run, or you will scream, or you will hide, or you will react in that way without thinking about it.
Yeah.
That is your instinct, that to survive no matter what. Now, since beginning of mankind, this idea has been put in everybody's head that it is glorious to die for your homeland, for your religion, for your country, for your cause, right? So imagine that har ek ki you're created
Yes.
that you will have to survive no matter
Yes.
what. That is the
Through
power
intuition.
of persuasion,
Yes.
right? And comes with a big responsibility also. You can persuade people to be evil or to do wrong things. I mean, we see this every day in the newspaper that how hate speeches are.
True.
It's the same. So if people are capable of doing that, creating hate, you know, we have the power to create love also, to create empathy also, to generosity also, to show people that it is glorious to let others live rather than die, you know.
And
So
be the
that's what
instrument and
keeps
be the
me-
instrument to influence. that.
Yeah, and you know, I believe in the Stoic, philosophy. I don't know what is the right way of saying it, but to understand that it is equanimity, right? That with the grace that you accept all good things, you have to accept all bad things, and life is finite. Show me one person who made it out alive. Nobody, right? We're all gonna die. So then we enjoy and we make impact with what we have. And I'm not about creating legacies, ke statues bane and all, but how many lives that you impacted. And iska sawal hoga na, that as a woman in Pakistan, I've been given so many great opportunities that billions of people didn't get, right?
Exponential.
And then what the hell am I
yeah.
complaining about, right?
Absolutely.
That's what keeps me driven. Like, you know, if I've been privileged, then I have a responsibility to use this privilege. And I'm not saying that I'm a great person and all. I screw up like everybody else, and you know, 100%
Good to
great.
know.
Yeah.
Good to know. And now we've heard the siren, so I'll
So
let
that
you
means
go.
I have to go.
You can go and have iftar or do your session. Oh, Seri ka waqt hoने वाला है. Thank you so much, Atiya. It was great having you.
Yeah,
Thank you
likewise.
so much.
Thank
Take
you
care.
so much.
Take care.